Hello friends, welcome to MySQL video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss how to create database in MySQL server. To store and process data of a business, a company, an organization, etc., first step is to create a database for it. To store and process data of a business, a company, an organization, etc., first step is to create a database for it. To create database in MySQL server, we take help of create a database command. Basic syntax for creating a database is we write create database, if not exists, database name, semicolon, where if not exists clause is optional, guys. For example, if I need to store and process data of Chidres Tech Tutorials Institution, then I create a database like this. I say create database db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials semicolon. Chidres Tech Tutorials is the name of the institution. I am prefixing it with db underscore, where db indicates database, guys. It is recommended to prefix business name, company name, organization name, etc. with db underscore, guys, where db indicates database. By seeing this, we say Chidres Tech Tutorials database, guys. We read it like Chidres Tech Tutorials database. Let's go to MySQL console and create the database. I say here show databases semicolon. We know that show databases command displays list of databases currently available in MySQL server. I hit enter. You can see that it has displayed list of databases available in MySQL server. And if you carefully observe, there is no database for Chidres Tech Tutorials. Let's create the database. I say create database db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that it is telling query OK. That means the query is executed successfully without any errors. One row affected. That means the database is created. Let's see whether db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials is created in the server. I say here show databases semicolon, hit enter. You can see that db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials is created. So that is how you create a database for a business, company, an organization, etc., etc., guys. Remember that while creating a database, if you do not specify if not exists clause and the database you want to create already exists in the server, then error is thrown. While creating a database, if you do not specify if not exists clause and the database you want to create already exists in the server, then error is thrown. Let me show that. Once again, I execute the same query, guys. I say here create database db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials semicolon. You can see that I am not specifying if not exists clause, as well as db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials already exists. If I try to execute this query, it throws an error, guys. I hit enter. You can see that it is displaying an error saying can't create database because db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials database exists. Already db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials database exists. If you want to execute the query without any error, then you must specify if not exists clause, guys. If not exists clause prevents the query from error, guys. I say here create database if not exists db underscore Chidres Tech Tutorials semicolon. If I hit enter, you see that there is no error displayed and the query is executed successfully, guys. If not exists clause prevents the query from error, guys. Also, we need to understand when should we write if not exists clause and when we need not. Here I have given two notes to remember. While creating a database, if you don't know whether the database that you want to create already exist in the server or not, then you must specify if not exists clause. While creating a database, if you don't know whether the database that you want to create already exists in the server or not, then you must specify if not exists clause. Whereas if you know that the database that you want to create does not already exist in the server, then you need not to specify if not exists clause. Let's take one more example. I want to store and process the data of my college, that is City College. And if you carefully observe, there is no database for City College, right? We know that there is no database for City College. So I need not to use if not exist clause. I can simply say here create database db underscore city underscore college semicolon. I hit enter. Query OK, one row affected. That means the database is created. Let's see whether City College database is created. I say here show databases semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that db underscore city college is created. So that's it guys for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood how do we create a database in MySQL server. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. Try to remember all the commands that I teach in this video tutorial series and practice them as much as possible. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.